Hi, my name is Brian Puente. I'm the support specialist for Adobe Creative Cloud at the University of Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about how to crop an image in Photoshop. So this is the image I want to crop. It's sitting on my desktop right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up Photoshop and walk you through the process. So when I launch Photoshop, I'll be greeted with this opening menu. I'm going to go to File, and then Open. I'm going to navigate to where my image is. My image is sitting on my desktop here. So I'm going to come down, pick my image, and then hit Open. Great. So now, once I'm in Photoshop, what I'm looking to do is crop this image. On my toolbar on the left-hand side, if I hover down, I'll find the crop tool. The keyboard shortcut for that is C. So I'm going to go ahead and click on crop. And then I'll see that I'll have these crop tools that I can adjust the size and width of. I can change different values, grab from the top, grab from the bottom, and that's great like if I want to kind of size something up by eye. But I have a specific pixel width and height that I'd like to hit, so let's talk about how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and select the crop tool, and then in the top menu up here, I'm going to go ahead and click where it says ratio, and make sure I'm set to W by H by resolution. That's going to allow me to dial in a specific resolution here. So my resolution that I'm going to dial in is 2000, just so you can kind of see it move, by 725, or 765 rather. Cool. And then what I want to do, I have straighten options and things like that, which can be helpful when you're cropping stuff, but what I'm looking for is I want to make sure that this delete cropped pixels is not selected, because if I have it selected, it's going to remove those pixels entirely, and I can't change my mind later if I make a crop I don't like. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the checkbox, and there's my crop. So you'll see I kind of cut off the bottom of that tiger. Maybe I want that back. Because I didn't delete those pixels, I should be able to grab the move tool, and click and drag, and bring that content back right where I want it. Cool. So now I have my photo how I want it. Now I'm looking to save it. I'm going to go to File. If I hit Save, that will save it as a Photoshop document so I can come back in and edit this crop later. But if I'm done with this and I want to export it out as a JPEG, I'll go down to Export, Export As. Let this load real quick. And then under File Format, I'm going to choose JPEG. I have my height and width set how I want them. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Export All. And then I will name it Cropped Tiger Image. Always important to name it something that you can find later. Highly recommend that. Makes it searchable easy. So hit Save. And then if I go to my desktop, close that up, I should find this cropped tiger image. Super easy to do, great way to kind of get your crop exactly how you want it. My name is Brian Puente. I'm the support specialist for Adobe Creative Cloud. You can learn more about Adobe and about our program at adobe.arizona.edu or on our YouTube channel. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time.